Hello, Learning Birds. This is our lesson on Microsoft Excel, and today we're going to be looking at sorting. So, to be able to sort, first off, you need to have your filter sorter selected. It makes it easier if you do, I should say, because then you can click on it and you automatically have all of your sort options right here. You can also have that turned off and just sort. But again, that makes it a little bit more challenging. What this does is when it's not selected under filter, you have to say where you're sorting from. So for example, I have filtering off right now. I would say sort, and then it would say, what are you sorting? And so you have to say, well, I'm sorting from column A, values, everything, like everything in all of column A, and then you can start your sort. All right. Whereas if you have the filter selected, then you automatically have everything in column A, and if there was any information in B, C, D, E, F, whatever, then you'd be able to sort that as well. But it's your first options here. The most popular thing to do with sorting is usually to alphabetically sort things. So it's real quick. It's right there. You can also use the button right up top here, alphabetically sort. Z to A to Z, boom. You get them sorted pretty quickly. That's the number one thing that you do with sorting. People like to have things in alphabetical or numeric order, so you can do that quickly with sorting. You can also sort, let's say we've got it sorted A to Z right there. We can also do a sort by color. Now I've gone ahead and selected certain characters in this list. I just put this list together. I said top 100 like fictional characters, and then I just started listing authors I knew and some other things like that. So a lot of this is people I don't even know some of the names of these people. But I decided to sort or to color some of these squares, and you do that by clicking right here. That will color in the background of different ones. So let's say I wanted Bruce Wayne to be in the green group. Buffy Summers, I think that's Buffy the Vampire Slayer. We'll put that in the green group, and Bilbo. So let's say I wanted to sort by color. I can sort by color and either have the yellow ones all grouped together at the beginning here, or I can sort by color and have the green ones all at the top, or the blue ones all at the top. Or I could sort by color and have the ones with no fill brought up to the top. So you can kind of see that it organizes that way. It's different than a filter because if I did a filter, I would only see the blue. I would only see the green. I would only see the yellow. But you can sort and it just puts those ones to the top. It basically puts things in order, but you can always see all of the information when you're sorting. All right. There's also a custom sort where you can sort by font color, the cell icon. You can sort top to bottom. You can sort the cell orders. Like, you can make some really complicated sorts. You can sort by first by cell color, and then second you add a level, and you can sort by, let's say, the values A to Z. There we go. So this one's alphabetical A to Z. First we sort by the color of the cell, blue first. Then we sort by the names, A to Z. And boom, you'll notice that blue is all up on top and everything else is alphabetical. So you can make some pretty complicated sorts, and that's how you do them. You do them all within that category. For me, again, I like to have this selected so I can just bring down my sort menu right here. If you do not have that, so if you have that deselected so there's no drop down here, you can just click on the sort there and you'll be able to do any amount of levels of sorts that you want to do. All inside here you can sort by color, by font color, by cell icon, by cell color. So you can do every type of sort you can imagine in all different levels of sorts. Let's add one more level of having it A to Z. There we go. So now the way it's sorted, we'll get all the yellows first, all the greens second, all the blues third, and then everything will be sorted alphabetically A to Z as well. There we go. So there you have it. That's the basics of sorting. Sorting is a little different than filtering. With a filter, you actually remove values from the list temporarily. When you're sorting, you will always see all the different values, and you can place them in order based on any number of parameters that you choose to set. Hope that lesson on sorting has been helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.